Deo, nagdadala ng bola to Alvin. Alvin. Pass. Uy, ganda ng pasahan. Kuya Joel, wala.
Push.
Ball to Alvin. Nice pass. Easy 2 points. 2-0. Score po tayo 2-0 ha. So, walang free scorer. Ayun. All 2. Axon, for 3. Wala. Rebound by Alvin. Power up. Oh! Wala. Himang with the rebound. Pass to Deo. Deo, nag-aantay ng kakampi. Himang. Himang to Kuya Joel. Oh, nabitawan. Still by ball. 2-on-2 break. One takes. Ball drives. Wala. Alvin, mamadali. Alvin, stopper step.
Tira, bilis! Kulang!
Dimac, set shot. Chill lang. 2 points. Assist by Alvin. Olson. Nagkakapapasaan. To Jeff. Jeff to Alan. To Alvin. To Von. Open shot. Yes, sir. 2 points. Ayo, nagdadala. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 8. Deo for 3. Wala. Rebound, Dimac. Pectus, wala. Alan.
Push! Kulang! Salubong!
Odson. Crossover move. Floater in the lane. 2 points. Alvin. To Deo. Back to Alvin. Jomel. Double team. Hanap ng papasaan. Back to Alvin. Alvin. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Kuya Alan. Uy!
Kaya.
Alan, fake. Fires. 2 points. Score is 8-4 in favor of Two points by Dimac. The lead is down to 2. Rodson. To Alan. Back to Rodson. Back to Von. Tumira ng 3. Score is 11-6. Favor of Team Delta. 3. It's a 3-pointer. 3 points. Tres yun ah, tres. Tres yun. Okay, Ronson, pass break. Back to Von. Wala. Rebound by Alvin. Crystal pala. Oy. Oh, Jomel, 2 points.
Okay. Naka-score tayo. Naka-score kami.
Ronson for 3. Wala. The rebound. Deo, nagmamadali. 2-on-2 break. Deo, sumagasa. Wala.
11-8.
There's a foul. 13 foul. Warning for penalty. Teo. To Jomel. Jomel. Uy! Favorite move. 2 points. Alan. Babawi. Back to Colson. To Jeff. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Von. Pass to Alan. Nice touch pass. Yes! Ganda ng play. Score is 13-10. Favor of Team Delta. Curry for 3. Wala. Dima. Spin cycle move. There's a foul. Ayo. To Jomel. Jomel. Nice stop by Jeff.
5 seconds. Ay. Wala.
Christian, fade away. Wala. Rebound by Jomel. Kanya pa rin. Oy, but there's a foul.
Wala mister. Wala pa. Open siya.
Deo floater. Wala. Timak with the rebound and 2 points. The lead is down to 1. Yeah. Hodgson. Jeff. Touch pass. Ganda na pasahan. Alan, tumira. Yes, sir. 2 points. Sabi po ang pasahan nun.
Dalawa sa ilalim, ha? Tabo! Diretso!
Curry.
Nice, Jeff! Tara!
Bounce pass to Alan.
Kaya!
Out pass to Arvin. Yes. Assist by Alan. Ilang assist na po si Boss Alan? 2 assist na po.
Hinga lang.
Curry. Jump shot. Yes. 2 points. Good ball.
Good job.
The score is 17-14. By Team Delta. Von. Nice pass talaga naman. Sayang. Rebound by Dimak. Leo. Nagmamadali. Bounce pass to Christian. Kumeke. Butata. But there's a foul. Curry. Isa pa ulit. Wala. Not this time. Von. Leon 3 break. Von. Uy, libre. 2 points. Uy, good ball. Ay. Tawag ng foul.
Hinga.
Leading scorer of the game currently is Dimak with 8 points. Christian natapik. Good ball.
Running.
Nangyari.
Miss na lang.
Oh, good ball. Tuloy ang oras.
Wala.
5-point lead by Team Delta.
Wala.
Jeff, naghanap ng papasahan. Uy! Good ball yun! Good ball! Deo, back to Joren. Napalakas. Christian. Hey! Deo. Jump set. Goes to the left. Oy!
Double, double, double!
Pwede mo na lang atang gawin, top eh.
Sorry.
Ay!
Rodson. Time left, 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Pass to Alan. Alan. To Rodson. Mid-range jumper. Yes! Assist by Alan. Ang dami ng... Dimac for 3. Hey! 11 points na po si Mr. Dimac.
Pero mababa pa oras.
Game high, 11 points. Nakakatatlong assist na yan. Assist na naman kaya? Hindi. Bon, babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Jeff. Jeff, tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Deo. Pass break. Christian. Christian. Make it. Oy! Good ball.
Game. What's up?
Deo, shot clock 10. Dimac, titira ulit na 3. Wala. Romel put back. 2 points. The lead is down to 2. Time left. 3 and 43. Shot clock 10. Rodson. Shot clock 6. Alan, favorite spot. Wala. Romel, fast break. Deo. Uy. Uy. Lead is down to 2. Shot clock 13. Arvin. Bounce pass to Von. Back to Arvin. Traveling infraction. Nawagan.
Hold.
Tayo, what's up?
Stop tayo, ha?
Habol.
Stop.
Jomel. Namuwersa na. Wow.
Oh, isa pa.
Dimac setting up the play. Shot clock 8. Spin cycle 2. Shot clock 4. 4 second shot clock. 4 second shot clock. 3, 2, 1. Shot clock. Good ball. Good ball.
Nakuha. Ito yung round din. Bago set up eh. Nagano lang.
Hindi nga tumama sa ring.
Pero na-rebound eh.
Isang down.
Yung...
So dapat bola ng kabila. Bola ng kabila.
Kaya.
Bola dito. Bola dito. Down. Shot clock. Jeff, floater in the lane. Wow! By Jomel. It's only a 2-point game. Under 2 minutes left. Deo, long pass to Dimac. And it's a tie ball game. Deadlock at 21. 13 points na po para kay Mr. Dimac. Rodson, tumira sa 3. Ooh! Ang galing. Tuloy po yan, D-Mac. Time left, 1 and 20. Mahaba pa yan. Spin cycle, mainit. Uy, wala. Uy, ayos. Jomel, 2 points. The lead is down to 1. Time left, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Shot clock, 16. Hodgson, isa pa. The lead is up to 4. 51 seconds left. Kaya pa yan.
One stop, one stop.
Dapat lang yan. Ako, dapat bilisan na. Curry. Shot clock 9. 8. 3, 2, good ball. Yes. The lead is down to 29 seconds left. 29 seconds left. It's only a 2-point game. Good ball. Ball. There's a 5 or 6 second differential. Oh, tapan! Okay. The score is 27 to 25. No shot clock. 21 seconds left. Okay. Lima, setting up the play. Time left, 14 seconds. 12, 11, Dimac double team. Oh! Ayun na, at tatapos. Bogey layup, gets it to go!
Very good. Very good. Yes.